I have fired so many employees. Ang masakit pa, yung dala-dala ko sa Davao to help me out in the early years of my presidency. And they were with me through thick and thin during the campaign for the mayorship in 1988. Yan sila yung team na taga Mindanao. At sila yung pumupunta ng, yan ang masakit sa akin eh. That's why kung nakikinig sila, I'd like to, not only my qualms, but paghinakit ko sa inyo is, kayo yung pabalik ng pabalik sa Davao, urging me to run. Alam naman ninyo, wala akong pera, I had to decline, and decline, not only about a dozen times.